Today I'd actually decided to put on a little makeup because when I put on makeup it kind of makes me feel a little better and try to feel a little better at least. I was going to go to school today. It was going to be a fun day. I was going to go see my friends again because I haven't gone in a while due to my illness. School's canceled for pretty much no apparent reason. They said there was ice on the roads. It is 38 degrees. Don't see how there's ice on the roads. I guess there is somewhere around there to, I don't know, just cause people to crash or something. I'm not really sure. The plan for today is I'm going to a coffee shop and I'm just going to work as much as I can on getting caught up with schoolwork. Yesterday really wore me out, so hopefully I won't be hurting too much today. Finals are 1 week away and I have 2 units to catch up on in chemistry, so I really need to study that. I've got a couple English projects to do, just getting it all done before winter break. This is my makeup. I just went really simple. Mallory, if you're watching this, I tried out your mascara you sent me and it is so nice. Thank you so much, Mallory, for this mascara. It actually works so good. I'm very, very thankful for that. But I put just a little bit of concealer over some zits and stuff and it made me look less sick, so that is jolly and fun. I just have a beanie on, which I never wear beanies, but today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wear a beanie. It's gonna be pretty hipster. And you know, I put on a flannel. I was like, a little too hipster for you, Morgan. So I just have a plain gray t-shirt to kind of match the beanie, and then my poofer jacket that I wear pretty much every day when I don't feel good. I have just some leggings, then I'm probably gonna put on just a pair of tennis shoes. Ooh, the sun is bright, but this is like the only good lighting I can get. Before I leave, wanted to make this a little exciting. I got my Birchbox in yesterday and I have yet to open it. If you don't know what Birchbox is, it's basically a monthly beauty subscription. It's 10 bucks. It's really awesome. You just get a bunch of cool beauty samples. And I've actually found a lot of my favorite things from Birchbox, like that Dr. Jart that I use every single day on my zits. This is the December Birchbox, if you could actually see it. Once you open it, I flipping love the design of this. It's so cute. Graphic design is like my thing. Anytime I see something really aesthetically pleasing, I'm like, yes, it's so great. So here's the little card that comes with it. On the back, it always has the products and like the full size and the prices of the full size products. First, I have this Project Beauty Hairgurt Smooth Yogurt Hair Mask. What's this, quinoa's in there? How is quinoa in a hair mask? I'm gonna actually gift this to someone because it's a great stocking stuffer. This hair mask, the full size of it is $12. If math is not your thing, you get 5 samples in here always, so that is $2 a sample. Next, I got this 2 Weeks Quip anti-cavity toothpaste. So I've never got a toothpaste in here before. Next, I have this Queen matte lip stain. Okay, the full size is $14. The thing about Birchbox that's a little bit negative is you may not get colors that you like. Some Birchboxes I will keep pretty much all the samples and I will love them and use them for hours and days and millions of days. That made no sense. But anyway, sometimes I will use pretty much everything that I got in my Birchbox, and sometimes I will use literally nothing. So sometimes it's a flop. That's pretty much it. It's kind of hard to see, but I definitely will give this a try. Next, we got this Wish Powerly Effective Neutrals Vanilla Lip Scrub, and this full size is 20 bucks, so you pretty much get a really good deal on this for 2 bucks. But I will definitely try this out because your girl got dry lips because it's winter. Last, but hopefully not least, we have this green tea EGCG concentrate cream. It's vegan. Oh, okay. This moisturizer offers an intense healing protection of skin against environmental damage. Okay, one thing I'm actually pretty excited about in this box. That was my Birchbox for this month. I hope that was a little bit entertaining, a little unboxing of my vlog today.
I'm just chilling with my handsome boy before I leave. No, hey, what you...
So after we went to the coffee shop to do some work, which I completely forgot to video, but we're probably gonna go back there after. Anyway, too much background noise in there. Oh my gosh. I was able to finish a potato and a small chili, which is awesome because I couldn't have breakfast this morning. I was too nauseous. I'm having a little bit of pain, like sharp pain on my left side, but hopefully that will subside. I can take a little Advil or something. Hopefully it'll go away before my lesson, but I'm going right now to get a chemistry lesson to kind of finish up my chemistry for the semester, and then we're gonna go back to the coffee shop, work on the rest of the work for chemistry, and then I'll take my final Tuesday. So I'm very excited to get that over with. I just got done with my lesson at school and we're gonna go back to the coffee shop now. Went really well. I made a 95 on my test, so go me. I'm just working on some schoolwork now in the cute little baseball themed coffee shop. We got tea for two. So we're leaving the coffee shop now. We've been here for what, like 4 hours? 3 hours? I don't know. I have a really big project I had to work on. So I worked on that, I worked on that project and I got like half of it done in 3 hours, but it'll be okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna head home now. Gonna try to eat something for dinner and then go to bed. So it is the next day, and just like the last vlog, I forgot to close the vlog, which is what vloggers do. But I'm new to this, so please forgive me. But I hope you guys really enjoyed the video today. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below so you don't miss any more of my vlogmases, which will be pretty much throughout December. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.